So for Thursday, this project is coming to closure. It's coming to completion. So for Thursday, your base model should be completely glued and not moving. These pieces should be in place. You should have all of your parking areas drawn, and you should have your setback lines delineated. Okay? So this should be done. You should have a finalized sketch model design, all right? Not the presentation quality one, but just one that's complete, that shows every facet, okay? It shows the tapering, shows how it sits within this boundary, okay? You should have a printed 11 by 17 plan at 1/16 of an inch to a foot that lines up with this and has your design on it. So if you have to take it from your 3D model to Rhino, right, then you have to do that, but I need it printed accurately like we looked at his. Okay? It should show the buses. It should show the dashed line of the canopy above. It should show the dashed line of the roof above. And then it should show the floor plates of where things are down on the ground. Just so that you guys understand, it is very hard in Rhino, without a lot of experience, to develop a three-dimensional polygonal form that really looks good. I've tried to, I think I mentioned this to you a couple times in the past. You are far better off working by hand and then taking what you develop by hand and taking it to the computer than you are trying to work in the computer. You cannot visualize and you cannot hold and adjust and move things around in the computer like you can by hand. Okay? All right, so is it clear? Bring material and stuff in for next week, or not for next week, but for next Thursday, because we're going to basically try and finalize the design with the location of the plaza, right? Inside of your terminal building that you're drawing, you should show me where the inside air-conditioned space is and what's inside and what's outdoors. What is air-conditioned and what's just under the roof. Okay? Make sure that you bring the model complete matching. The model and that drawing have to match. Do not bring in the drawing and say, well, that's sort of where I'm at. Not acceptable. Work on it so that your model and your drawing matches. Okay? All right, are there any questions? Okay, I'll see you guys all Thursday.